I just want to share this amazing application where you can turn your steps into money. Yes, you heard it right. This amazing application will turn your steps into money by just walking or running.
Now, first thing to do is we're going to register first. So, we'll just go, this is what we call MS coin or mass fitness coin. Now, first thing to do is we're going to register. So, we'll just click the register now. And then, since I already have my account, so for those who are new to this website, this application, we should first enter your email or phone number here. The next is you're going to enter the verification code here, and then create your login password, and then your confirm password, and of course, do not forget to create your withdrawal password. And of course, you cannot enter on this application if you don't put the referral code. So I have my referral code in the description link below, so you can enter here if you want. So it's very helpful. So now, then you can enter the register now. So we're going to exit this one account. So let's go back, and then I will enter my account now. So then log in. Okay, now let's discuss about this application. Let's enter here in their introduction about this company. So the Mass Fitness is a company located in the Marina Bay Financial Center, Singapore. Their vision is to inspire participants to have a healthier and wealthier lifestyle and fight for climate change. And then how does Mass Fitness work? They encourage a green lifestyle and lower carbon emissions. Going green comes with a cost, and we are committed to creating the best value of the environment protection at the lowest cost. So also, they believe in the value of exercise. Mass Fitness is founded in the simple principle physical activity has actual value, and that is why Mass Fitness is appeal to many users. The Mass Fitness mission statement. We don't claim that exercise saves lives, but simply want to inspire everyone to increase physical activity and a reduction in health problems and be happier. It makes us to follow the World Health Organization guidelines and have set Mass Fitness-based steps count at least 3,000 per day. So that's it, guys. You should at least complete, there is a limit steps, but at least you should complete 3,000 steps per day. Now, if you want to communicate more about this application, they have Telegram channel here, so you can click it here, the Telegram channel. And of course, if you want also to, if your concern is all about your account, so you can click it here. There is a customer service in the upper left corner. Anyway, here there's a customer service. You can check it there. So we're going to discuss how are we going to turn our steps into money. Now, as you can see here, let's click the motion. And these are the levels. If you want to be a primary environmentalist, price is you should at least deposit 15 USDT, and you have earning per day is 1.9 USDT, and you require at least 3,000 steps. And if you want more higher income, you can also choose junior environmentalist price. And then also there's an intermediate, senior, and of course the elite. And all of these levels is ended on at least 30 days period. Okay, now let's discuss about the levels of the environmentalist. Here, there is, as you can see here, is a fresh member. You don't need to deposit. This is free. But in order to get your earnings, you should require at least 3,000 steps. And you have earning per day here is 1 USDT. And this will last for at least 7 days. And then here, there's a primary member here. You should deposit at least 15 USDT. Also, the required step is 3,000, and your earning per day is 1.9. And the end period here is at least 15 days. Now, let's go to here in junior environmentalist. The price is 50 USDT. Also, the required step is 3,000, and your earning per day is 3 USDT. And the ending period here is 30 days. Also, here in intermediate environmentalist, the price is 200 USDT. You should complete at least 3,000 steps, and your earning per day is 12 USDT. And of course, it will also last in 30 days. Also, here in senior environmentalist, the deposit, you should require at least deposit 800 USDT. Of course, the limit steps is 3,000, and your earning per day here is 48 USDT. And here, in the elite, you should require at least 3,200 deposit, and of course, you have also 3,000 steps, and your earning per day is 192 USDT. And it will also last and in 30 days. If the 30 days is end, you can also recharge again.
Let's go onto our dashboard here. As you can see, I am a junior environmentalist here. And of course, as a junior environmentalist, I should require at least 3,000 steps per day. So you can see it here. This is my steps, but I cannot still complete the 3,000. So at the end of the day, you should complete at least your 3,000 steps in order to convert into a MS token. So by 5 a.m., every 5 a.m. in the morning, today's steps will be turned into 0, and then you should check at least you should check that into 5 a.m. and then you can click this receive yesterday earning, and it will go right here and it will convert into MS token. So as a junior member, the conversion of our 3,000 steps is 14.6341 MS token.
So now, the question is, how are we going to recharge? Now here, we should go here in the recharge. And those are the, as you can see in earlier, there's a lot of levels of environmentalists there. So we should choose at least TRC20 or either BEP20. So I suggest that you should uh, choose the BEP20 because it has a lower gas fee. Now you can copy the USDT address, and if you have a Binance account, so you can place it there. And then there's upload screenshot here to transfer. If you're done, do recharge, and then you can do submit there. Since I am already an junior environmentalist, so I am now going to withdraw my earnings. The question is, how are we going to withdraw our earnings? So now let's click here the me. But before that, we're going to update our account information. So as you can see here, you can put your nickname, you can change your login password and change your withdrawal password or whatever. And then here we can click here modify withdrawal information. Now in here in modify withdrawal information, we're going to type the TRC20 address or BEP20. Which is whatever you want, just choose, and then you should complete your name and then your number, of course, and that's it. Then you can click the modify. Now, and then after that, that's the time we can withdraw our earnings. So, but first we should, in order to convert the MS coin, our MS token here, we should go in the market. So now here in the market, as you can see in the graph, at first is it has a 0.2 MS token price at the time, but now since the MS token is increased, so it became already 0.025% now. And we should click P2P trade. Of course, we're going to select the sell, and then we're going to convert our MS token. So our MS token has this one 14.6341. So we're going to click that one. So let's just put 14.6341. And then so the conversion amount of our MS token is it's in 2.99905 USDT. So we just put our password. And then we can sell our MS token. So I click MS token. So that's it. So we just have to wait for at least 24 hours. Here, since I belong in the Philippines, so the withdrawal time is from 12 noon to 12 midnight. I don't know if it's from other country, but to try to check is you can also contact the customer service support. And of course, we have to wait for at least 24 hours. And we can also, and now, so our balance here is already 2.4599. So now we're done converting our MS token into dollars. So as you can see here, my balance here is 2.4599. And now we're going to click the withdrawal. So withdraw our earnings. So this is the withdrawal. So we should click it here, withdraw. And of course, if you want USDT or cash, it's okay. So I choose USDT and I will put the amount 2.4599. And of course, our withdrawal password. And we're going to submit the withdrawal request. So it became 0, and let's go back. So that's it. And we're done. So we can wait for at least 24 hours. But of course, I have already a lot of withdrawal requests here, so I will show it to you all of them. But of course, if you want also to earn more, there's also invite friends here. But I have my referral code here, so you can put it there so that you cannot withdraw. I mean, you cannot download this application if you don't have referral ID. So it is important that you should input the referral ID of the referrer. Okay.
You can see here, these are all my withdrawals, deposit successful, all, and this is my latest withdrawal as of now. So I think that's all. If you have questions or concerns, you can message me or do comment down below, and I will answer right away if you have more concerns about these applications, so that I can guide you. So that's all for today. God bless everyone. Thank you.